Okay, we're back, and what we're going to do is finish the problem that we started. You notice I have all of the details that we've already gone over here. Just to recap, we have a $260,000 mortgage, and we're paying 20% of the price of the home down, the 52,000, so that we're borrowing 208,000. We came up with a payment size of 1116.59. We came up with a balance of $169,191.49 after the 120th payment is made. We then found the balance after 108 payments, so we could find the balance that we paid through that year. And that difference came out to be 4808.28. And that meant the total of the payments was 13,399.07. That was 12 times the payment. And that meant that the interest paid, the difference between these two, was 8,590 and 79 cents. So now what we're going to look at is a different kind of problem, one that we haven't talked about. We want to find how long is it going to take if we bump the payment up. So we have this loan, and we're told that we have to make payments of 1116.59. But what if we wanted to just pay more to see how much time we can take off of the loan? And I know we did talk about that in class a little bit. So the thing, first of all, is the new payment we know is just simply $200 more than the old payment. So I'm just going to put an equals in this cell. This is how Excel does calculations. I'm going to take 1116.59 plus 200. And when I press enter, it will calculate it for me. And that's 1316.59. So that's our new payment. So finding the number of months, that's a little bit more difficult mathematically. If you know logarithms, it can be solved that way. But I don't expect that you know logarithms. That's not part of the required content for the course. So we're going to use an Excel feature. And the name of the function that we're going to use is called NPER, which stands for number of periods. So in order to use this function, I'm going to type in an equal sign, as you can see in the cell. And I'm going to type in the letters NPER. And what you notice is it is recognized, it's highlighted. So I'm going to put in parentheses because I'm going to be putting in numbers in this. And based on the numbers I put in, it's going to know what the answer is. So the rate that we're using is 5% over 12, because that's the rate per month, right? Followed by a comma. We want to know what the payment is. Well, the payment is this here. Now notice if I just tap that, it puts that in the formula for me. Now the way Excel operates, though, it wants a negative in front of the payment, which is fine. And then the present value, well, we know that we borrowed $208,000. So once I put that in there and then follow the parentheses, there was some other stuff there, but we're not going to need that because we're not doing anything crazy with this. I press return, and it looks like it's going to take 258 months, which is about 21.5 years. And there's the answer to our question. So thank you very much for watching.